Okay guys, so welcome to today's training, and today we shall be looking at on how to add slider in WordPress homepage. Now normally when you open a website, on the front page of this nature you will see a slider flipping itself. Okay, so that is the tutorial which we will be doing today. This is a website, so we want to add a slider to our website whereby the home page will be showing a sliding view. Okay guys, so this is where this very home page, this very front, is where we want to add our slider. Okay, so we'll enter into the training guys. Please make sure you have a working website and also you have these two, Slider Revolution. Okay, we shall be using Slider Revolution. It's a tool that you will purchase online. Okay, now this is my dashboard. I'm already on my dashboard, so I want to install it. The Slider Revolution is a plugin. Okay guys, it's a plugin, so we just have to install. Go to plugin, then add plugin, upload plugin, choose a file, then you will find where you save the folder. Okay, on my end I'll be using this slider. Okay, I'll be using this one. Then install now. So you give it time for it to install. Okay, okay guys, so it has been installed. So the next thing for us to do is to activate this plugin. Okay, we click on activate plugin. So it has been activated. Okay, it has been activated. Right, so it show up this. So I'll just cut this. Okay, I'll cut it. I'll go to the normal way. Now I just have to refresh my page. Now if you come to this your menu here at this corner, you will see Slider Revolution. Okay, Slider Revolution, click over, get it started. Okay, now you click on overview. You click on overview. Now if you want to import it manually, if you want to import the slider, because there is a slide, you have already installed the template. Okay, now is the time for you to install the slide view of it. Okay, now we'll just click on manual imports, choose the file. So on this same place where I saved them, remember this was the template which we install. Now we have this slider. I have a lot of them, so I can just choose any one. I'll just click this, open. So you can see it has been imported. This is it. So I'll just click on this pencil icon, click on it to edit. You can see now this is what I can come here and be doing my editing. But now I don't want to edit anything yet. But what I just want you to look at is this. After you finish clicking on that pencil icon to edit, you see this short code. Okay, you see this short code. This is what you gotta be using. Okay, just copy it. Copy your short code. Now I will be opening the website, so I'll just open the page, enable Visual Builder, because I'm using Divi to build this website. It depends on what application you are using to build. If you are using Elementor, if you are using Divi, I'll just click on enable Visual Builder. So the next thing for us, because you can, this is the front page. but I don't want to use this front page. Okay, I want to put my slider here. I can easily put this down or I'll delete it. It's two things, either I delete it or I bring it down. But then I'll click on this add section. You see the full width. I'll click on what? Add full width. Then I have to search on the word full width code. This is the full width code. I'll just paste the code there. Okay, paste the code there. I'll click on this. Okay, go there. You can see the short code I've displayed this already. Now I'll click on save. Still loading. Click on save again. So it has been saved, but let me delete this front one, this first one. Let me delete this. Okay, click on save. Okay, now let me open the website. So you can see the slider. You can see the slider we just install, guys. You can see the slider we just install. So you just give it time. You see what is sliding itself. This is what slider revolution doing its work. Okay, it's doing its work. Give it time. You can feed all the details so you can see, guys, how he's sliding itself. There is the full website. Okay, this is a demo which I'm using. The full website. This is the slider which we just did. The experiment which we just carried out. So you can see how he's sliding himself. So this is how you will able to create a slider revolution in someone on your client's website. So I will tell you I need 4 slides or 3 slides or 2 slides in my website in the front home page. So this is exactly what they are telling you to do, guys. So I believe you find this interesting. Now if you look at this also homepage, you can see that it's like we have 3 slides inside here. This is the first, the second, and the third. You can see that is how they are sliding themselves here. Okay, guys, so please, if you find this tutorial helpful, please subscribe to our YouTube channel and make sure you hit the like button, comment, and we'll also reply your comments. And make sure, please, you are following us. Hit that subscribe button. Anytime we upload a tip of our information on the channel, you always get notification of such tip. Thank you, guys, for staying tuned with KCWEB Test Center. Thank you. Looking forward having you here again.